Holy shit. That's some crazy shit. Early bird gets that worm though. Let's get this range test going. Morning. It is. We can breathe. We can breathe. Everyone's happy. It's a good day in the city. We can breathe. We can breathe. All right. Kind of crazy how awesome it is just to breathe air. It's the little things. It's the little things you forget about. Oh, wonka wonka, wonka wonka, they're everywhere. Holy shit, this thing just got locked up. Holy shit, that's some crazy shit. Glad I caught that live. Let's see here. Another day, another something. Well guys, this little dude is out of commish, no spring, and it's with the camera off, I did the same thing and it's all whee, there's nowhere to stop it, and I couldn't grab the brake and I couldn't touch the key. Drama. Anyways, so I'm gonna probably take this thing off, look at it. Feels like there should be a spring in here that retracts it, and if not, looks like I got to get a new one of those. So trouble in paradise. No range test today. Broken scoot. Damn it.